Buried beneath a layer of silence and time, this colossal skeleton hasn't been disturbed for centuries, until now. Uncut of sandstone as if carved by the hands of forgotten gods, the figure pierces human arms reaching with a flashlight. Who is this giant? A myth turns true? The lost human race is taller, stronger, and perhaps wiser than we imagined? Curved ribs like cathedral domes and skulls, slightly tilted, staring at the eternal sky as if waiting to be remembered. Ancient legends from Sumerian to the Bible speak of giants that once walked the earth, guardians, fallen angels, or descendants of gods and men. Archaeologists give us bones, but imagination fills the breath between them. It's more than just a skeleton. This is a conundrum in stone, a confrontation with everything we don't know about our past, and maybe with something we never found.